Open the box. Remove the top foam. Remove the bottom one, then tear the wrapper. Tear off the wrapping film. Align it with this slot. Screw the screws in. Hand connect the power. And raise the machine. Tear off the masking tape. Insert it into the hole. Tear off the masking tape. Pull the wire out. Insert it into the slot. Check the accessory pack. There are 2 expansion screws, 2 short screws, 1 long wrench to short wrenches. Unscrew the nut. Thread it through from inside. Tighten it. And check if there's any issue with the lifting. Take out the water connection accessories. Take out this filter element, and take out the waterproof ring. Check the inside of the filter, if there is a waterproof ring inside. If there is no waterproof ring, you need to insert one. Connect this end to the hose. Check to see if there is a waterproof ring inside. If there is, you don't need to add one. Remove the waterproof cover. Screw the pipe on. The other end is clamped on the toilet or the water inlet 3-way valve on the wall. This side is used to flush the toilet. Toilet accessories. This is attached to the toilet, an expansion tube, and a wrench. Unscrew it. Raise the toilet to the bottom. There are 2 connecting pieces below. Just pull it out. If it is too tight, loosen these 2 screws here. Stuff this in. The other side is the same. These 2 screws, with washers on top. Put one on each. Place the toilet according to your needs, and put it in the position you need. If it isn't accurate, you can try unplugging it, and then it can be put in. Before locking, check the distance from the toilet, and make adjustments.